All right, it's turning on already. Let's see, with 128 gigabytes, how quickly does this thing start up? Ooh, liquid glass, very nice. It's in Spanish, okay. All right, so we're going through setup. In the box, we have the charging cable. And what else do we get? User manual in Spanish, because I live in Spain. And, ooh, a cleaning cloth. My first time getting a cleaning cloth with a Mac, and I've owned 2 of them before, so that's something different. That's everything from the main box. All right, we've entered the Wi-Fi password. Keyboard feels really smooth. I think the trackpad might be bigger than my last M1 Mac. Let me take a look. No, trackpad is the same size. There we go. 128 gigabytes, baby. This thing's never gonna crash. Well, this was the unboxing of the M5 Max, and I'll probably see you in 5 years when I unbox the 512 gigabyte version. Take it easy.